Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Tango application from your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. If you want to delete or remove your Tango application from your system, then simply go ahead and press hold the Tango application from your app drawer. In the pop-up, select Remove App. Now tap on the Delete App button twice and you will then be able to delete your Tango application from your mobile device. Whether you are using an iOS device or Android, the process is quite similar. So that's it for today's video. I hope the tutorial helped you. If it did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.